In previous lectures, we have discussed the natural disasters, and any natural disaster that refers to the negative effects of naturally occurring phenomena. It's not man-made. So there are two types of disasters: man-made and natural. So there are the natural disasters: volcanism, landslide, desertification, floods, cyclones, earthquakes, forest fire. So volcanism is the ejection of molten material out of the earth. Landslides is the sliding down the rocky materials due to the effect of gravity, and desertification is the barrenness of the soil due to the removal of the forests, and floods are the overflow of water volume, and cyclones are the inward circling of the wind, and earthquakes, they are the shaking of land due to the effect of sudden outcome of energy, and forest fire is the escalation of fire due to the human actions, and natural as well, which is the in which we are going to refer to uncontrollable fire fueled by the natural vegetation conducive in conditions where there is no humidity amount of water present in the air, so there is the dryness and high temperature which causes the forest fire. So we have discussed the impacts and the material and the safety measures that we can take during each and every natural disaster. So there's the exercise that we are going to do in this lecture. So what are the various types of volcano materials that cause widespread destruction? So जो material जिसकी वजह से widespread destruction होती है वो हम यहाँ से आंसर ले सकते हैं अपना ejection of molten rocks. यहाँ तक आपने पहले इसको define करना है. These three lines we have to define what is volcanism, and then this is the volcanic material. So this is lava flowing out. First you are going to take this first point and these 4 or 5 points totally till here. यहाँ तक आपने यहाँ से volcanic material के बारे में यहाँ तक आपने लिखना है. Next question is what is landslide? Discuss the measures to mitigate the landslide effects. So what is landslide? And first we have to define the landslide. It's a downslope movement of the large masses of rock. बड़ी बड़ी चट्टानों का नीचे की तरफ मुँह करना, जो कि हमारे northern areas में we can observe the landslide, and then you are going to take the safety measures that we can take, or to mitigate. Mitigate means to make something less in effect, and you are going to take these landslide mitigation and then the safety measures. So mitigation, safety measures, and first you have to define in these 3 lines what landslide is. Third question is what is desertification? Discuss the measures to check desertification. So desertification is the barrenness of the soil. 2 lines you have to define the desertification and then measures to check desertification. यहाँ ये इतना पैराग्राफ आपने लेना है, उसके मेजर्स जो हमें ले सकते हैं चेक रखने के लिए डिजर्टिफिकेशन के, जिसमें कम से कम हो बंजर ज़मीन जो ना हो, और फिर सबसे पहले आपने 2 लाइन में ये डिफ़ाइन करना है डिजर्टिफिकेशन, व्हाट डिजर्टिफिकेशन इज़, एंड दैन द मेजर्स, द एक्शन दैट वी कैन टेक टू mitigate the desertification in Pakistan. So next question, which are the short questions. First is the flash and riverine floods. So you are going to compare the flash and riverine floods. So here in two lines we are going to define, because it's a short question, no need to write prolonged answers. And next is give measures to prevent floods. So what are the measures to prevent flood? So these are the 3 measures written here to prevent flood, which is construction of flood control, dams, and plantation of trees, and obviously provision of better drainage systems. And then we have which safety measures can we take to leave house. So these are the safety measures that you are going to take if you are going to leave the house during an earthquake. Next we have effects of floods in Pakistan. So in Pakistan there are harmful effects that you can take heavy rains in 2013, and these are the effects in green box we are going to take answer. Mention some impacts of cyclones के जो impacts हैं उसमें आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ आप first paragraph आप लिखेंगे सिर्फ impacts of cyclones में. And next exercise में हमारे पास है moving lava usually destroys everything in its way. So option C, landslide downslope movement of large masses of rock. First is option C, second is option A, third is areas adjacent to or areas near to deserts have high chances of desertification, जिसमें कि उसमें cultivatability और the productiveness of earth is reduced, कम हो जाती है. Percentage of arid area in Pakistan is 80%, option C. Next we have in terms of economic losses, leading natural disasters in Pakistan are floods. लॉसेस, इकोनॉमिक लॉसेस में हमारे पास जो लीडिंग नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर्स है वो फ्लड्स हैं, सॉरी। इन ह्यूमन लॉसेस जो जानी नुकसान है उसमें अर्थक्वेक्स हैं, लेकिन इकोनॉमिक जो लॉस होता है माली लिहाज से उसमें फ्लड्स है नंबर 1। नेक्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू डू अर्थक्वेक्स अगर ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, SUDDEN, सडन यानी अचानक से हो जाए। फॉरेस्ट फायर रिफर्स टू द अनकंट्रोल्ड फायर फ्यूल्ड बाय द नेचुरल वेजिटेशन। सो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम फॉरेस्ट फायर्स आर इनिशिएटेड बाय ह्यूमन एरर्स। एंड इंक्रीज ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कॉज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। स्टॉर्म सर्ज इज़ अ डैश ऑफ सी लेवल ड्यू टू अ स्टॉर्म। स्टॉर्म सर्ज आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, storm surge in during, it can be a rise of sea level. So it's, yes, it's a storm surge is the rising of sea level due to a storm. It's rising. Next you are going to do yourself true and false.